Have you ever been excited to start a new project only to hit a wall with an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to get going. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're tackling a common issue with Angular projects. I totally get it. You've just set up a new Angular project and now you're facing an error when trying to run the lint command. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered similar issues, and it can really throw a wrench in your workflow. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently reported that after installing the Angular 2 notifications package, they received an error when running the ng-lint command. The error message indicated that it couldn't find a custom rule directory. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's happening here? The error suggests that the linting process is looking for a configuration file that it can't find. This often happens when a package has dependencies that are not properly linked or installed. We'll break this down step by step to find a solution. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a crucial tip at the end that can help prevent this issue from happening again in the future. To address the linting issue, the user should first check if the necessary dependencies are installed. Specifically, they need to ensure that the CodeLizer package is included in their project. Next, the user should verify the version of CodeLizer installed. It's important to ensure compatibility with the Angular 2 notifications package. If the CodeLizer package is correctly installed and the issue persists, the user can create a custom TS-lint configuration. This will allow them to bypass the default rules that are causing the error. Finally, the user should run the ng-lint command again to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, they may consider reporting it as a bug to the Angular 2 notifications repository. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Angular was released back in 2010? It's come a long way since then, but even seasoned developers can run into hiccups like this one. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to ensure that the node modules directory is present. They found that after running the npm install command, the linting issue was resolved. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. Another user faced the same linting issue and found a solution by adjusting the path for the node modules directory. They explained that their project structure was customized with the package.json file located outside the Angular app. To fix the problem, they modified the rules directory in the tslint.json file to point to the correct location of CodeLizer. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your package dependencies after installation. Keeping your dependencies up to date can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to run the ng-lint command without any issues. Remember, keeping your dependencies in check is key to a smooth development experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.